Hi guys. How to influence people first time, every time, as a habit rather than an occasional occurrence is an initiative towards excellence of how you generate that feeling of wow when you speak to somebody. This is an initiative towards excellence for self and for others. And we are going to incorporate the methodology of NLP, Neuro Linguistic Programming, to teach you how to influence others and self. This is a periodic module which would take you to the journey of excellence, and I'm very sure that you're going to explore the best out of it with success at large. Stay tuned, connected, and look forward to having a fascinating learning journey with you all.